Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 22 November 2021 and today's topic name is constructor in Java. So in this topic we will discussing about what is constructor and use of constructor and difference between constructor and method. Let's start. First, what is a constructor in Java? Constructor is a block of code similar to the method which is used to initialize the object, and constructor is a special type of method. Constructor, there are two types of constructor in Java. First one is non-parameterized constructor, means default constructor, and second one is parameterized constructor. Non-parameterized constructor means which do not have any parameter is called as non-parameterized constructor or default constructor, and second one is parameterized constructor, means the constructor which have parameter is called as parameterized constructor. Let's discuss default constructor. If we can create the object of a class, then we need the constructor. If we do not provide any constructor, then JVM will be provide the constructor by default. And if we can write any constructor in class and we can create the object of this class, then this constructor will be automatically called. JVM will be called this constructor automatically. And the use of constructor is to initialize the object, means if there is any instance variable, then we want to initialize this variable, then by using constructor we can initialize this variable. And the main use of constructor is to the constructor can be perform any task, but it is specially designed to for initialization, means initialization of an object. And next, let's discuss the difference between constructor and method. Constructor which do not have any return type, but method have a return type, must have return type. Constructor name same as class name, and method name is same as class name or different than class name. Next is class have many constructor but with different parameter, and class have many method but with different parameter. Constructor is used to initialize the initialization of object, and method is a block of code is used to execute this code. This is the difference between constructor and method. Let's discuss the syntax of the constructor. Constructor first is access modifier. In Java there are 4 access modifier: public, protected, private, and default. By using public access modifier, this is accessible within anywhere. Next is private. But constructor cannot be private because it is used to create the object, means if we can make this constructor private, then it is not accessible outside the class. So constructor do not have private access modifier. Then next is constructor name, which is same as a class name. If we can give the constructor name different than class name, then it is not considered as a constructor. And the main difference between constructor and method is method have a return type and constructor do not have any return type. Now, JVM and compiler should differentiate method and constructor on the basis of the return type. If we will provide the return type to the constructor, then JVM will be consider it as a method. So because of that, constructor do not have any return type. And in constructor there are two types. First is default constructor and second is parameterized constructor. If we cannot pass any parameter, then it is called as default constructor, and if we pass the parameter, then it is called as parameterized constructor. And in class we do not have any constructor, then JVM will be called the constructor by default for us in the at the time of the executing of the code. This is the use of the constructor. Let's discuss the difference example of the constructor. In class student, instance variable are roll number, student name and student mark. So this variable are not initialized, so we want to initialize this variable, then we will use the constructor for this class. And constructor is public student, and in constructor we can pass the parameter. First is int roll number, then string student name, and then int marks. So this is the parameter of the constructor are the local variable. We want to give the values of local variable to the instance variable, then we will use this keyword. This dot roll number is equals to roll number, this dot student name is equals to student name, and this dot marks is equals to marks. Then this local variable value are assigned to the instance variable, and by creating the object of this class, we can pass the value to the constructor by roll number, student name and the marks. This is the all the information about the constructor, example of constructor, and difference between constructor and method. Thank you.